What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up the shipping details and info on your Shopify online store. So first here I have the Shopify website opened and I'm signed in with my account here. As you can see, that's my dashboard here where I have my options, and make sure you added products to your store. So we cannot do this if you don't have any products on your store. So if you don't, just go ahead and add products. If we open our products page, as you can see here, I've added a product like a test product just to show you how to edit the shipping info and so on. So if you do have like products set up, let's first go to settings here. It'll open the settings page here where you can find many options like store details, plan, billing, user, and so on. And here in the store details, I have my basic store details. So my store name, the email, the currency, country, so on. And you want to go here to the shipping and delivery option in the tab on the left here. So click on it. It'll open all the shipping details, info, and settings. So first of all, you can set up like domestic and international shipping. So choose the rates or the prices for domestic or in your country, and international shipping, so for other countries. So let's click on it. So here we have the product that we created just to test it, and here it says the shop location is in Egypt, so we can manage it and we can click on manage to change the location of the store. So for domestic shipping here, that's Egypt, we can set up add a rate, a price. So we can set up our own rate, so enter our own price, or use carrier or app to calculate rates if you depend on like carriers to deliver your packages. So let's name it, like you can choose the rate name, so let's name it standard, or you can name it whatever you want. And the price, let's say it's like 20 of my currency, that's 20 Egyptian pounds. And you can add conditional pricing as well. Now let's click on done. So here is the rate for the domestic shipping, that's 20 Egyptian pounds. And we can also add rates for international shipping. So the international shippings, like all the other countries, we can also add a rate here. You can see it calculates like a default rate. However, we can change it or add our own rate. Like let's say like 100. Let's say 100 Egyptian pounds. Of course, international shipping is going to be more expensive. Okay, so we forgot the rate name. Let's name it standard. You can add many rates, so like standard, fast shipping, and so on, if you want like different types of shipping options. So, okay. We can also add like fast shipping option, and it'll be more expensive, so that'll be like 150 pounds. Okay, we do have two options right now, and here you can start shipping to more countries not in your market, so you can choose them from here and so on. So now that we set up our rate, let's click on save. Now let's head back to the shipping page, the shipping setting. We already set up the rates. Let's set up the expected delivery dates. So we can go ahead and edit this option to show us like the estimated delivery time. And here let's set up the local delivery, so delivering to customers in my area. Now the shop location is in Egypt, so I do offer local delivery to Egypt. Here we can enter like the postal codes of the areas or the governorates that are supported, separated by commas, and we can choose the minimum order price and the delivery price for these regions. And we can also enter like delivery informations. Okay. And also Shopify can recommend like local delivery apps that are available in our location. Okay, let's click save. Okay, so we forgot the postal codes. Like, let's enter like anything just to show you. Then click save. Okay, now the settings are updated. Let's go back to the shipping page. We can also add like a local pickup option if your business has like a physical store or location where the customer can go and pick up their order. So let's open it. Now check this location offers local pickup, and then the expected pickup time should be like, you can choose like within 1 hour of placing the order by the client, or 24, or like 5+ days. So let's, for this video, choose 24 hours. That means 24 hours after the client places the order on your Shopify store, they can go to your location or store and pick up their item. Of course, the pickup service is free since there are no shipping fees. The customer can come and pick up their order by themselves, so there are no shipping fees for this type of service. And you can also enter some notes so that you ask the client to bring your confirmation email to come and pick up their order. And you can also add many, and you can also add like extra info, so like pay in cash, for example. And then once you enter all the details, just click on save. Okay, let's scroll up and go back to the delivery and shipping page. Now we can add apps from the Shopify store to customize the delivery, and then we can edit the packages like info. So the package name, let's enter any name for the package, so let's say default. You can choose here the package type, so if it's a box, if it's an envelope, or if it's like a soft package. And if you choose a box, so let's say we ship our like products in a box, a cardboard box, we can enter the dimensions of the box here, so the length and the width and the height of the box in centimeters, or you can choose inch. And then the weight of the box itself, so the empty box is like 200 grams. You can choose kilograms or ounce or pound and so on. And then click add package to add your package details. And then you can enable third-party calculated rates by like if you choose a carrier like DHL or so on, but you need to upgrade your plan in order to do so. And then you can edit the packing slips templates, so like the receipt or the paper that comes in the package with the product itself. You'll find like a code, it's a long code here. However, don't be afraid since you only need to edit the order title here, so let's rename it to hoodies. Okay, now let's preview the template. So now that's the template of the slip or the paper that comes in the box, in the package box with the products, that has like the product info and the address of the client and all the details, the order number, the order date, and so on, and all the delivery instructions with your store location and so on. Okay, so let's close this tab now and then go back to or cancel. Let's discard these changes for now. Now let's close this pop-up. And finally, you can add a custom order fulfillment, so like an email for a custom fulfillment service that fulfills the order for you, so you can add them from here. And now you've edited all the shipping info and details you need to start selling your products on the Shopify store.